just going to start out by filling in my brows. I'm using my Revolution Pro. Then I'm just going to take an angled brush, any angled brush will do, and highlight underneath the brow. Using a makeup sponge, I'm just blending that out. Now my brows are done, I'm going to be using a deep brown shade. Just patting it into the outer corner, taking it slightly into the crease. Now I'm just building up on that brown. Blending it out with a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be using the shade Cocoa from my Tahiti palette. I'm just putting that on top of the brown. Then again blending that out. I'm going to do the other eye. Yep, nice little transition there. Now taking a flat brush, I'm going to be cutting my crease. I use the NARS concealer in light Chantilly. I'm just patting that down with a clean makeup sponge. I'm going over my cut crease with a pearl shade and then a purple. Now I'm just doing small wings. I'm not going all the way over because I'm using magnetic lashes. That's done on both eyes. Next I'm just applying some mascara. I've just put the magnetic lash liner on my eyelids. It's so thick so it's difficult to use. Now I'm just putting the eyelashes on and they're literally just clipped down. Not having to mess around with the lashes for ages. This is the finished look. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.